So really the purpose of this video is just to give you a good habit that will help you prevent making this sort of mistake where, you've put luxury in here. It's actually luxuries is the actual category. Um, Now, what we'll do is we'll make this blank for now. Imagine you've not entered anything in. You can see then the formulas automatically update. What we're going to do for every item that's going to be in this column, you want to use something called data validation, which basically means it'll only accept certain entries. And that's because you've got a definitive list that you always want it to be referencing. So all of these categories here. Now, the way to do that, as I say, it's to use data validation. So you go to the data tab, and there is over here something that says data validation. Now, you already want to have the range, and you can select the entire column, but for simplicity right now, I'm just selecting this specific range. And then you want to click on data validation. And then here, it'll show you what it's currently set to. And so it's currently saying that the data validation criteria allows any value. Well, you can change this to all of these things down here in this list. And one of the things is list. And this is the one that you'll most commonly use rather than any of these other entries here. So only allow items from a list. Now, this field here where it asks for the source is going to ask you, well, where is that list? And here you click inside the source field, and then you can just, with that little icon, with that highlighted there, with the cursor inside that field, go and click and drag across your list, which contains all of the data validation criteria. So now it knows, okay, everything inside this range, which for me is C11 to C16, must only contain items from this list, A4 to A7. And you click on OK. And now you can see this little arrow button here has appeared, and it's got your list in it. Food, luxuries, gifts, bills. If you try and put any old thing in here, it's not going to let you, because it must be something from this list. So now that helps you to keep yourself right. So food, and then this one's food as well. And then what's this? Electricity, that's what's it? Bills. And you get a little auto populate as well, which is drawing from your list, which is very, very helpful. So luxuries, and there you have it. And you can see it's quite nice that now you're updating it as you go along, and you're being prevented from making any mistakes that will, ultimately, if you keep on putting luxury, well, at the end, your luxuries total is just going to be completely wrong. So that's why this is a very good practice. Data validation, you're welcome. Enjoy the rest of your day.